primary key. Okay. This balance continue. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Screens. Oh. Okay,
Yeah, miss.
students.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
You saw the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. First one in there, define the relationship to table. The primary key, student number. Already I teach. Okay. Okay. The second one, first one in the create the primary key. Already I teach in the how to create the primary key. Any doubt? Any doubt, students?
No, miss.
No, miss.
Primary key. Primary key. Any doubt?
No, miss.
It's okay. First start in this table. First number one. First table in the student number, student name, date joined, and marks 2. Okay. Then other second one. Second table, student number, address, and course title, and course fee and fee file. Okay. Then first starting today class in the create the define. First one total. How to create insert the columns, total columns. Okay. Start. You go to start in Microsoft Access.
Hello,
Yes.
Stephana.
Steven Irka.
Stephana.
இருக்கிறாங்க ஸ்டீவனா.
ஹலோ.
ரெக்கார்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்களா இப்போ?
ஓ, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்னும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறது தானே கிளாஸ்?
இப்போ இல்லை, ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Okay, start how to create the total columns. You go to student number table, right but design view, double click, student number table, double click. You go to view menu, design view. You go to, you put the heading, how to create total columns. How to create total columns. Put the heading, how to create total columns. Student number 1 table, double click. Again, student number 1 table, double click. Student number 1 table, double click.
Miss, excuse
Yes.
me.
Sorry, tell me.
Don't mind, Miss. కొంచెం slow పోలాం.
Right. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Okay, student number 1 table, double click. It's okay. Okay, student number 1 table, double click. View menu, view click, view click, view click, view click, design view, design view. Okay, design view click, design view. Marks to you select the to type the data total. total columns, total. Total. Okay. Next, total. Select. You click here. Data type. Click. Total data type. Click. Data type. Click. Data type. Click. Yeah, okay. Data type. Select number. Select number. Select number. Close. Click. Close. Click. Close. Click. Okay. Close. Click. Have finished, students? What have finished?
Yeah, finish.
Okay. Then table close. Click. Table close. Click. Yes. Yes. Click. Second one, student number 2 table. Second, how to create balance columns. How to create balance columns. Student number 2 table. How to create balance columns. 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 Okay. Student number tab 2 double click. Student number 2 double click. Student number 2 table double click. Student number 2 table double click. Student number 2 table double click. View click. View. View. Design view. Design view. Design view. Design view. Design view. Balance. Balance. Design view. Balance. Okay. Currency. Balance click. Currency. I Baniju.
Hi, miss.
Okay. Why late? Hello.
I slept, miss.
Okay.
Just now,
Right. Sorry.
just now I wake up, miss. Sorry, miss.
Okay. Okay. So, okay. The balance columns. Okay. Currency click. Save and close. Student number 2 table. Close click. Student number 2 table. Close click. Yes. Okay. Next one. Already I teach in how to create a form. How to create form? Please tell me. Answer. Already I teach. No. Before class. No. How to create form? Anita? Anita?
Create more form.
Create
means
more
form
form.
design.
Yes, form wizard. Okay.
Create more form
Form.
wizard.
Select all. Select
Select
all.
all. Select a design.
Uh,
Next.
uh. Again.
You have to
What
select
style would you like to for your form? What layout would you like to your form? What design? Like any design you select it. Okay.
data
Anyone.
field.
Yes, sir. Column row, anyone. Okay. Then another one. Next click. This design. What this style would you like? Okay. Next click. This one is the open the form viewer. Then other one modify the form designer.
Open the form.
Open the why open form view the enter information. Modify meaning to change the data. So heading or anyone. Okay. Then open the form design view. Then finish click. Okay. It's coming. This form design. Okay. You select the move the arrows. Okay. Show the datas. Okay, already I did. Okay. Then close click. How to change the background design, form design? Form design, to change the colors in, you click here, you change the colors. No colors, this fonts. Oh, so you change the colors, no? You click here, font color or any color, you select it. Okay. You select the color. Then this one in the fill color. Any colors, you fill colors. Okay. First one you click here, then box. You after that you go to fill color, select fill color. Okay. Then save and close. Yes. Okay. Next one you write in the note. The sharing, then first one. New sharing. Okay. First one you already you write. Second one you write. Create the queries to display the student number, student name, and date joint and course fee. Save the query as query 1. You write. The continue. First one define the relationship is finished. Already I teach how to create the relationship. Then second one you write in create the query to display the student number, student name, and date joint and course fee. Save the query as query 1. Okay, you write. Second and third you write. Okay. Bhanujan, you write. Okay, finished.
Yes, miss.
Okay, start. Second and third and fourth one create. Third one in the create the query display student number, student name, day join, and course title meaning equals to DICCAP diagram. Then save the query as query 2. Okay. Then other one create the query display student number, address, and course. Then 2 and 3 you are right. Okay. Then starting. Okay. You go to create answer. Second one answer. Create query wizard. Create query wizard. Simple query wizard. Simple query wizard. Okay. Okay. You select student number. You select student number. Student name. Student name. Date joined. Date joined. And course fee. Course fee. Which table you select the course fee? Which table? Course fee. Student number 2 table, no? But you select student number 1 table in, you select the student number, student name, date join. Then other one in the you select the student number 2 table. This one important, this command is the queries, okay? You have the assignment and access command, how table creation, queries, all are included in the assignment, okay? Important this command, okay? You write the notes, okay? Then select the student number 2 table, you select the student number 2, you select course fee. You select course fee. How tell me before you select the student number 1, which table you select the student number 2 table you select, okay? You select the student number 2 table, you select the course fee. You select course fee. You select course fee. Next click. Next click. Next. Open the query to view the information or modify the query design. No condition, no. Say the query as query 1. Any condition, you select the modify command. Okay. Then open the query view information. Then finished click. Open the query to view the information and finished click. Finished click. You saw the query. Okay. To show the query. You understood?
Why is this used, miss?
It's okay.
Why is query used?
This one only important and select the course, only course DICK, DICCAB, DICAP only you select and course you select it. Okay. Only course title and course fee, only David, one student is David, more than 5,000, 10,000 course fees, only you select the that one students you select the queries. Okay. Then other one, third one in the question in the display the student number, day join, course title, DICCAP, DICAP. Only DICAP students you select the queries. Okay. Only students you select the course fee only more than more than 10,000 course fee students you paid in. Before that, less than 5,000 no, not included. Only more than 10,000 the queries. Okay. Then third one, create the query, display the student name and their joint address and course title equal to DICS. Sorry, DICAP. Okay, DICAP, no? DICAP. Third one, create the query, display name and address, course title DICAP. Okay, you write third one answer, create query wizard, simple query wizard. Okay, you select student name, you select student name, date joint, you select address student number 2 table, then other one course title. Okay, course title equal to DICAP. Okay, important the course title only DICAP. Okay, you then select the only the student name, date joint and address and course title. Okay, next click, next click. This one modify the open the query or modify the query design. No?
Modify.
Modify. Why modify?
We have to change for decaf. We have to
Change
select
the
only decaf.
right. Okay. Modify the design. Okay. Finished click. Finished click. You select the course title condition DICAP. DICAP. Only title DICAP. Then other one not included in the other one ISDO management or not included in the course title. Only DICAP. Okay. Then run click. They put the condition. You see this columns right area. This columns okay. Run click. Run click to show the answer. Run click to show the answer. No DICAP DICAP. No. Check it the table. Serial number 2. No DICAP. This only column cheating and yes. Wait. Okay, again you start create and query wizard. You select simple queries. Okay. You select student name. Which? Tell me. Student name, date joined, address.
Address, course title,
Wait. Then student number, student name, day join, student number 2 table, course title. Oh, that's all. Okay. Next click. Then modify the queries. Then finish. You select the criteria region. Just select DICAP. Okay. Then select run. No. DICAP only. Okay. You select the title in the anyone. You select computing or DICAP or anyone. Okay. Then close the table. Yes. Okay. Then fourth one. Already you write fourth one.
no miss.
Ascending order. No. Right. Wait. Okay. Fourth one you write. Fourth one, create the query to display the student number, address, and course fee. Ascending order, save the query as query 3. This one. Here to 4 and 5. You write 5, create ascending order 5, then other one 6, create another queries display 6, other one 7 is finished. Already insert the balance columns and student num table. Oh. That one finished, no? Finish, students.
Okay, miss.
Yeah, miss.
All are finished.
Okay, miss.
Right. Okay, start. Then first third one, okay, this one okay. Then other one, create a query that display student number, address, and course fee. Then ascending order and course fee. Ascending, what's the meaning of the ascending and descending? Ascending and descending. You know?
Small to big and big to small.
Sorry. Sorry. Okay, start. Sorry, sir. Okay, you go to create the answer. Create query wizard. Simple query wizard. Simple query wizard. Okay. Okay. You select student number. Select student number. Student number 2 table. Select student number. You select the student number 2 table. Select student number. Address. Course fee. Address. Course fee. Student number. Address. Student number. Address. Course fee. Next click. Next click. Next click. Next. Modify the query design. Modify the query design. Modify the query design. Finished click. Finished click. Okay. Course fee ascending order. You select the condition, criteria range. Course fee. Sorry, criteria no short. You select the short menu. Click. Course fee ascending order. Ascending click. Short ascending click. Then ascending click. Run click. Run click. Run click. Run click. Then short command. Okay. Ascending click. You select the ascending. Okay. Now tell me, you select the design view, then select the ascending click. This one. Course fee ascending click, run click. Only course fee ascending order. Okay. 40,000, 190. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Next one. Insert the field total student number 1 table and insert the field balance student number 2 table. Student number 1 and student number 2 table, you select the already I create the table column. So sorry, the total column. So you select the design, double click. Already you create the table columns. Sorry, total columns. Already you create the balance and total. Okay. That one okay. Next one, create the suitable form student number 1 and student number 2 table. Already student number 2 table I created the form. Then student number 1 table you already created. To put the logos before the class. Any doubt this one? Form any doubt? No. Huh?
Yes, I was not there.
Sorry?
I was not there when you were doing the form and all.
Ah, right. Okay. Yeah. You already this and I teach. Okay. Then how to create the form? You go to create form design, more forms, click form wizard. Okay. Student number 1 table. Select all. You have the notes, form notes.
No, miss.
You write note. Put the heading form. Put the heading form. Create more forms, click.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Form wizard. Select all. Wait 1 minute. Sorry, students. Okay. Then select all. Select all. Next, click. Next, click. What layout would you like for your form? Data sheet, justified, or anyone you select it. Your size. Okay. Then next, click. Next, click. Next, click. What style would you like? Any design. Okay. Next, click. Next, click. Modify the font design. Modify the form design. Modify the form design. Modify the form design. Finished, click. Modify the font design. Finished, click. Okay. You type the heading. Student details. Okay. Student detail. Okay. Student detail. You select the color. Anyone you select. Font color. Okay. Then close the form design. Close the form design. Close the form design. Close the form design. close click. Do you want to save? Yes. Okay. Next, write you produce the report and find out the total, display the following student number. You write the, wait 1 minute. Okay. Then other one you write in
Miss, you missed the fifth question, Miss.
fifth one, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, fifth one, no? Fifth one in the create another query. You write already? No.
Yeah,
Fifth
written.
one you write?
Right,
Yeah.
miss.
Wrote.
Okay. Next one, sixth one. Okay. Already the answer inside the how to insert the columns is balance columns and total columns and already teach. Okay. Other one you write, then create the form design. That one okay. Then then the number 8 one you write, produce the report, find out the total and display the following student number. Marks 1, marks 2, report. Number 8 one. Missing in the number 5, no? I teach, okay. This one number 8, right? You have the assignment, end user assignment. Students, you have the end user assignment. Okay, finish.
Okay, Miss.
Then number 9, you write number 9.
Done.
Okay. The missing then that one in the this girl, this question, this one number 5. Create another query, student number, course title and course fee. Course title DICAP, then course fee greater than equal to 8,000. Okay, this one missing. Okay. Okay. Create query wizard. Create number 5th one answer. Create query wizard. Single query wizard. Okay. Select student name. Student number 1 table, you select the student name. You select the student number 2 table. You select student number 2 table. Course title. Course fee. Course title and course fee. Okay. Next click. Next click. Next click. Modify the query design. Only the call you paid in greater than equal to 8,000. Okay. Modify the query design. Finished click. Finished click. Then condition in title DICAP greater than equal to 8,000. Already then paid. Greater than equal 8,000 DICAP cost title. Okay. Then run click. Only one student greater than equal to 10,000 paid students. Okay. Only one students. Okay. Only one student. Then query. Okay. Next one. Report. Put the heading in report. Form is next. Other one number 9. Report. Produce a report to find out the total. Display the following field: student number, student name, marks 1, marks 2, then total. Again, number 9. Produce the report to find out the total and display the following field and student number, student name, marks 1 and marks 2, total. Then total and grand total. Okay. Start in. Put the heading in the report. Create report wizard. Create report wizard. Create report wizard. Create report wizard. You select student number. You select student number, student name, marks 1, marks 2, marks 1, marks 2. Then other one total. Total columns. Okay, you're right. Student number, student name, marks 1, marks 2, total. Okay, next click.
Is grand total.
Grand total, I tell you. Wait, this one only total. Grand total, you go to report and design view. Okay. Next, click. Next, click. Okay. Next. Next, click. Do you want to add any grouping level? Do you want a grouping level? No. Then answer in that one in the number 11 in grouping field. Grouping field in the host title. Okay. Don't click the grouping field. Normal. Next, click. Next, click. Next, click. Next, click. To change the background. Okay, next, click. Modify the report design. Modify the report design. Modify the report design. Finished, click. Okay, finished, click. Okay. Then select in student, total, click. Total, click. You have adjustment. Total, right button. Right button. Okay. Total, right button. Property sheet. This one. You select the Alt and Enter. Shortcut key. Property sheet, Alt and Enter. Open the object property sheet. Data. Data. Control source, click. Control source, click. Control source, click. The point 3 point mark, you click here in the point mark. Control source in the point mark. This one. You see, students? You point this, click. Point, click. Equal. Field list, click. Equal. Field list, click. Okay, field list, click. Marks one, double click. Plus marks 2 double click equal marks 1 double click plus marks 2 double click. Marks 1 double click plus marks 2 double click. Okay. Okay. It's okay, students? Students?
Yeah, miss.
Right. Then close the bar. This way, bar close click. Report table, close the table. Close the report. Sorry. Close the report click. Close the report click. Close the report click. Yes. Close the report. Yes. Report 1 double click. Report 1 double click. Report 1 double click. Report 1 double click. The total say 95 plus 83 178. Okay, 73 plus 76. Okay. Okay, students. Any doubt? Total commands report. Again, repeat. Any doubt? Report. Students. Report any doubt?
No, miss.
You want repeat again? Then other students, please tell me.
Miss.
Umir, Vanujan, any doubt? Report.
Not
Judita?
yet, miss.
Judita?
No, miss.
Okay. Then that other one students is no doubt. Durushani.
Okay, miss.
Any doubt?
No.
No.
No,
Okay.
miss.
You have the assignment, report and comparison form. Okay. Today, then first one in the assignment in the explain the access assignment you have no the explain today. You have the assignment end user assignment.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Okay. Second one. Then another one grand total. No, you asked some students are asking the grand total. You select the design. Okay, this one put the heading grand total. Report footer click. This one grand total. Okay. Grand total. How to create the grand total? You select the report footer. You select the label. Label. Draw the label. Grand total. Okay. So okay. You select the grand total. Okay, draw the text box. How to create grand total. Then draw. You select the label. You type the heading in the grand total. Then other one, you select the text box. You select text box. You select text box. You select text box. Draw the text box. Draw the text box. Draw the text box. Draw the text box. Just select the text delete. Unbound click. Unbound click. You select property sheet. Control source click. Control source click. Control source click. The dot mark, which click here, okay? Control source. Equal sum. Field list click. Field list click. Marks 1 double click. Plus marks 2 double click. Marks 1 double click plus marks 2 double click. You delete here the expression, you delete here, then open bracket. Delete expression, then closing. Okay, equal sum marks 1 plus marks 2. Equal sum marks 1 plus marks 2. Equal sum okay. Okay. Then close click. Close click. Close click. Okay. The close the report click. Close the report click. Close the report click. Yes. Yes, click. Yes, click. Report 1 double click. Report 1 double click. Report 1 double click. You select the grand total. The answer. Any doubt, grand total, students? Students, grand total, any doubt?
No, miss.
Huh? No. No. Sir? Very good. No doubt, grand total. Okay, then say report, close that report. Then other one, produce the okay, balance columns. Oh, then another one, put the heading, balance columns. You have the notes, produce the report, find out the balance column, student number, table, address. You write already. You have the
Yes.
notes,
Yes.
produce the report balance. Okay, start.
9th one, no, miss.
Oh, 9th one, no. No, 9th, no, 10th. Produce the report, find out the balance, total balance, and display the student number and course title and balance columns.
Number 9 is.
9th
Ah,
one, miss.
right. Okay. Okay, all are you right. Number 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. Okay. அதெல்லாம் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்சம் வாங்க. இதில் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டேன். அப்படி வந்துருக்குறோம். உங்களோட நேமை கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு மறைக்குது. உங்களோட ஃபோன் தெரியுது இல்லை எனக்கு. உங்களோட ஃபோன் தெரியுது இல்லை. கொஞ்சம் நடுவு பண்ணாங்க ஃபோனை. ஃபோன் தெரியல நீங்கள் செய்கிறது. இப்போ சரி. உங்களோட நேமில் செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஆப்ஷனில் கிளிக் பண்ணுறதா? அதில் மேக் ஹோஸ்ட்னு தான் இருக்கு. சரியா வந்துட்டுங்க. ஓகேயா? Okay, students. Completed, students.
Yeah.
Okay. Second one. Okay, this unfinished 10 course fees and report columns. Okay. Balance. Okay. Then other one balance columns. Okay. Okay, balance columns. How to create balance grand total. How to create balance columns. Then another one, create the grand balance. Create report wizard. Create report wizard. Create report wizard. Student number. Student number. Address. Address. Course title. Fee paid. Fee paid. Balance. Balance and total balance. Balance and total balance. Next click. First one balance. The second one total balance. So next click. Next. Next click. Next click. Next. Did you change the design? You select the design. Next click. Next click. Modify the report design. Modify the report design. Modify the report design. Modify the report design. Finished click. Finished click. Okay. You select balance, click. Select balance. Select property sheet. Wait one minute. Okay. Select property sheet. Control source click. Control source click. Control source click. Control source click. Equal field list click. Equal field list click. Yeah, the course fee not no field only fee paid only no. Why you can't do the minus point, no? Wait 1 minute, students. This is wrong, this one. Not cause piece is not coming now. Create then a report wizard. Okay, student number, address, course fee, select fee paid. Okay, this one important. Course fee paid. Course fee minus and fee paid in the balance columns. Okay, then next click. Next, modify the report design. Unfinished. Course fee is coming. Okay. Okay, then you put the heading in the balance. Okay, put the heading balance. Select label. The balance. Okay, balance. Next one, draw the text box. Draw the text box. Draw the text box. Detail, draw the text box. Then text cut. Text cut. Unbound click. Unbound click. Control source click. Control source. Control source click. Field list click. Equal. Cost fee minus. Cost fee minus fee paid. Cost fee minus fee paid. Cost fee minus fee paid. Okay. Close click. Close click. Close the report. Close the report. Close the report. Yes, click. Close the report. Yes, click. Report 3, double click. For cost fee 45,000. You paid in the 10,000. 45, 10,000 you paid. Your balance is 35,000. Okay. The balance column. Next heading, total balance columns. Next heading, total balance columns. Select student number 3, double click. Student number 3, double click. View, design view. View, design view. View, design view. Okay, report footer click. Okay. Select label, draw the label, total balance. total balance. Okay, row the text box. Report for row the text box. To delete the text box, unbound, click, select property sheet, control source, control source, control source, equal sum, field list click, field list click, cost P, double click, plus fee file, double click, expression delete, then open and closing. Okay, sum cost P plus and fee file. Okay, then okay click. Okay, click. Close click. Close click. It's not coming. What happened? Control source again. Field list equal then closing, then open sum. Okay, then okay, then close click, then close the report. Close the report. Yes, click. Okay, so then number 3, double click, have the total balance. Okay, next one. Number 11, create the landscape group report to display student number, student name, and course fee. Course fee grouping level in the course title. Okay, course fee in the grouping level in the course title is important. Create the landscape in the group report to display the student number, student name. Then course fee grouping field the course title and save the report as find the report bill. Then bracket you the grouping field in the course title. Okay, grouping field in the course title. Okay, you go to create your answer. Number 11, one answer. Create query wizard. Sorry, report wizard. Report wizard. Student number.
Excuse me, miss.
Tell me.
Miss, assignment explain பண்ண மாட்டீங்களா இன்னைக்கு?
அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இந்த எக்ஸாம் சாரி எக்ஸஸ் முடிஞ்சதான் எனக்கு செய்யல அதில் எக்ஸஸ்ல கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்கிறாங்க. அப்போ அது இது முடிக்க அவங்களுக்கு செய்ய கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். அதான் அதுக்கு தான் நான் இதை எக்ஸஸ் முடிச்சுட்டேன்னு சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் பார்க்கல எனக்கு.
ஓகே மிஸ், தேங்க்யூ.
அண்ட் அதில் அந்த உங்களுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட்ல கஸ்டமர் என்வாய் குவாரிஸ் எல்லாம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு தான் நான் அவசரமாக நான் குவாரி ரிப்போர்ட் எல்லாம் விளங்கப்படுத்துறேன் உங்களுக்கு. சரியா? நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டேன்னு சொன்னா உங்களுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் எக்ஸஸ் முடிச்சிடுவேன் நான்.
ஓகே மிஸ், thank you.
Okay. Okay, first one in the create a grouping level, student number, student name, student name, course fee, course fee, course title. Number 11 then the answer. Student number, student name, course fee, and course title. Mail merge, you have any doubt? Mail merge assignment, students, students. Hello.
Yes, miss.
First, wait, one of you have completed. After that, explain the assignment. Okay, access assignment. Okay, friends. Hello.
Yes, miss.
Then this been finished. No, the answer last question. No, they finish. After that, I teaching the assignment. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Thank you.
Access assignment. Okay, first next one, select the student number, student name, and course B. Then other one course title. Okay. Then next click. Next click. Grouping. Do you want to at any grouping level course title? Do you want to at any grouping level course title? Course title. Okay. Next click. Next click. Summary option click. Summary option click. Summary option click. Select course fee. Okay. 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 Okay, click. Next click. Next. You select the landscape, no? Create the landscape group report. You select the landscape. Group report to display the landscape. Create the landscape group report. Landscape click. Next click. Next click. You select the style design. Next click. Finished click. Finished click. Okay, finish. Click. Okay, these are the grouping level. Okay, course title in computing in one detailed record. Then other one should summary course title ICAP in one record details. The total details come. Spacing is. Okay, these are coming. The course title detail. Okay. Any doubt in the summary option in the grouping field in? Any doubt? Students?
Now this is the screen size. You reduced no, miss.
Not clear.
You reduced something, no, miss.
Reduce.
No, miss. Okay, okay.
Okay. Then okay. You select the details. Summary option this one. Students, you have the assignment in user assignment. Task 5. Please quickly ready. In user assignment, task 5, the access. Okay. Are you ready? Students? Okay, students. Ready? Sinu? Stephen?
Yes, miss.
The assignment and the task 5 assignment access ஒரு கடுக்கு சொல்லுங்க students. அப்ப படிப்பிச்சதோட அதையும் அவருக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிவிட்டா செய்வாங்க அதை. Student ready? MS assignment task 5. Parimala?
Yeah, miss.
Are ready?
No, miss. Task 5.
Task 5 as a MS access.
Assignment, right?
Yeah.
There was no. Wait.
All students are ready? Oh, task 5.
Miss, I didn't get that. No. Task 5.
Task 5 in the use of the database in Office environment. Use the database. Using the Microsoft Access developed database for the shop located, they are located there. First one, the customer name field. Already செய்திருக்கிறேன் தானே இப்போ படிப்பிச்சேன் உங்களுக்கு மார்க்ஸ் கோர்ஸ் Students already இப்போ teach பண்ணிக்கிறேன் student number, student 1, 2 and 4. அதே மாதிரி customers table field name, customer ID, first name, last name, city, state, number of purchase, total amount, date of the last of the purchase. You create the table. You create the table. You select the new click. Okay, blank database. All are you எல்லாம் screenshot எடுங்க பிள்ளைகள்.
Sound is different, miss.
Sorry.
The question is different, no?
No,
We
different
have
question. Command is same method in the same method. You print screen in the blank database. You click you select the keyboard print screen. Okay, you select the print screen. After that, you go to MS Word. Click MS Word. Then paste. Okay, the screen is coming. Okay. JJ. Why laughing? My videos coming. Okay. Okay. This first one.
മറപ്പാടി ശരി കാട്ടുക മിസ്
എന്റെ ഫോട്ടോസ് വരുന്നത് അതിലെ വീഡിയോസ്. ஓகே பாருங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் இது ஸ்டெப்ல போங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் எக்ஸஸ் blank database. ஓகே, print screen கீபோர்ட்ல பாருங்க print screen ன்னு இருக்கும் பாருங்க. print screen